because I have a background in blockchain. Started buying Bitcoin in 2017 when it was $5,000. And about a month into buying it, I said, oh man, blockchain and cryptocurrency is the future. It was about the money in the beginning, and then it soon became about the tech. I stayed as an investor for a while, and I started educating during the pandemic, teaching my friends how to trade the markets, how to trade and buy crypto, and how to trade and buy stocks. That grew into this academy, Your Stocks Now Academy. I have another channel for that as well here. So I started writing books. I wrote a #1 bestseller on Amazon. I wrote a book about Bitcoin, really explaining it, and cryptocurrency and explaining it. I wrote an NFT book. And from educating, I said, you know what, I think it's time for me to start making my own projects. I always wanted to make my own projects. I always had this fear, this tiny fear that what if the developer I hire, what if they don't care about my project and they don't stick around? Or what if they just do a crappy job and don't really have their heart in it? So I saw the Yuga Labs Otherside drop, and that inspired me to jump into the space. Their drop, originally, there was a lot of issues. And here's a company that's worth $4 billion that has only existed not even 2 years. They're human and they have bugs just like everyone else. So that inspired me to get into the space. I started studying literally within that week. Currently, I'm just doing a lot of HTML every day, really getting good with building out that way and taking about 15 minutes to build food menus. I'm gonna be sharing some of my projects and what I'm working on. I have learned JavaScript. There's a couple of different courses online I'm taking via Udemy or Free Code Camp. I have a blockchain project or two that I want to launch. Some stuff that are native to metaverses that already exist, like Decentraland and Sandbox. If you're someone who's a developer, please put your comments down below. If you're someone who's thinking about development, it's a return to my roots. I used to code in the 90s just for fun, HTML, and I forget that my website is a DJ forever. I've done it. I've been the one managing it. I've never outsourced it to someone so they were completely doing everything. And that was me doing HTML in the beginning, Dreamweaver at one point. Yeah, I've been coding for a very long time. I just never really regarded it as anything serious for me, or I never felt like the real deal in that regard. And now I definitely do. I'm definitely in this boat. I have a great mentor who's been helping me locally here in Las Vegas. Shouts to everyone at Tech Alley, amazing tech event that they do once a month here in Vegas. Also do it in Denver and Reno now. Meeting some amazing people in the space, software engineers, people who are whizzes at a lot of different things, and I'm thankful to be a part of this community. So again, leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions for me or you want to just get a shout out. And there is my food. My Thai food is here. All right. Look at that right there. Hey.